The sound of heavy trucks transporting timber. The sound of the wood chipper and the stump cutter working non-stop. The sound of chainsaws working with workers who are not afraid of danger and hardship. Come with me to experience those feelings. The first scene is of two middle-aged men using a light-duty Skeel petrol chainsaw. The tree stump looked huge compared to the chainsaw they were using. I don't think they could have brought it down. But no. They did it successfully. It was amazing. Next is a scene of a monster clearing branches and cutting large logs. Very flexible in handling branches and cutting cleanly. I find it quite interesting. A man like a little monkey in a big tree. I see him as a real little monkey. In his hand he held the Skeel MS-070 chainsaw. He was full of enthusiasm to cut down large tree branches. It was in this situation that I truly felt the strength and flexibility of human beings reach a new level. Nothing can compare. Isn't that amazing, everyone? Next is the sight of a mini tree stump cutter spinning madly. The rotation speed is quite impressive. The wooden shells flying up with each rotation looks extremely exciting. Quite strong contrary to my imagination. In the next scene, I didn't know whether to laugh or cry. Because he had to cut down the tree. He sacrificed his house. I was wondering if the money from selling the wood would be enough for him to build a new house. The next scenes are of a wood factory near where I live. Operating and working hard to create wood products suitable for consumers. The next scene is of a heavy vehicle transporting millions of tons of wood every day to supply small sawmills. This is probably the first time I want to send a message to all those who love the forestry industry as well as those who love logging. Like to learn about dangerous heavy chainsaws or giant tree stump cutting machines. Limit massive logging to avoid affecting the natural environment and prevent flash floods in mountainous areas. If you watch the video and find it interesting and meaningful, please subscribe to the channel to support me. I promise to release videos more regularly, and there will be more interesting and dramatic scenes.